We saved the best for last. The 67 Shelby Mustang GT500. The GT500.
Yeah.
There she is. Yep. There's Eleanor.
Eleanor is Memphis's unicorn.
What's a unicorn?
Fabled creature. You know, the horse with the horn, impossible to capture? It's the one card, no matter how many times you try to boo, something always happens.
We're gonna get through this time, right? It's gonna be smooth.
What's he doing?
Easy.
He's talking to her, man. Trying to get reacquainted. You know, they had a rough history. She almost got him killed a couple of times.
Oh, wait. Talking
He
back.
flipped one on the Harbor Freeway.
He went off the Long Beach Pier once.
Smooth, easy ride. We're just gonna glide.
Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to left me here.